So piggybacking off of example 10.1.3, in this table it shows a different random sampling of 20 cell phone models. We're asked to use these data to calculate a 93% confidence interval for the true mean SAR for cell phones certified for use in the United States. And just as previously, we're to assume that the population standard deviation is 0.337. So with this one, 93% isn't one that we're supposed to know the confidence interval corresponding z-score. So instead, we're going to solely rely on our calculators. So again, when we go to stat, tests, scroll down or hit 7 for z interval, this time we are going to use data. We're given that the population standard deviation is 0.337. We are also going to enter, if we go to stat, edit, all of our values into list 1. So I went ahead and entered in all of these, so you wouldn't have to see me do it on screen, but you just go to list 1 and enter in 1.48, 0.8, 1.15, so on and so forth until you get all 20 of the entries in, ending with 0.869. It honestly wouldn't matter what order you put them in. You could go side to side, as long as you make sure that you get all 20 values in there. So then again, tests, z-interval data, 0.337 for our population standard deviation. List 1 is where our data is coming from. Our confidence level is 93%, 0.93. We hit calculate, and it gives us that our confidence interval is 0.80351 to 1.0766. So we can say that we are 93% confident that the true population mean SAR is between 0.80351 and 1.0766. And remember, the confidence, we don't want to state that there's a 93% probability. We don't want to spend, or chance, or odds, or anything of that sort, because the 93% confidence is in the method used. This means that if we took samples of 20 from the entire population, all of the samples, and performed this confidence interval, 93% of the time, it would contain the true population mean. But that also means that there are 7% of the times that it doesn't contain the true population mean. And we don't know if this interval is one of the 93% or one of the 7%. So the confidence isn't in the interval itself, it's in the method that's used.